Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to be doing a Fidget Cube review. So I just got this Fidget Cube Zero by Antsy Labs, I think. Yeah, and I got this Fidget Cube yesterday on Saturday. And look, so we got the on and off switch. We got these buttons. Look, this one clicks, and this one. But these two, look, I'm pressing them, as you can see. Look, that one doesn't click. Let me go on this side. Doesn't click. And I got the the spinner, as you can see. You can hear it spinning. This is the real one. By the way, I got the roller / click. You can hear it, yeah. These little chamber bars. Yeah. And then we got the joystick. It's pretty cool, because it's kind of like a game from like an Xbox or something. Pretty cool. And I think that's all. Oh yeah, we got the breather. Oh no, I was scratching it for some reason. Just glide your finger on it. It feels very nice. And I got the all black one. I found a white and black one. I just I didn't want it. And I really like this Fidget Cube. I've asked my dad for so long. And oh my god, I fell. I just can't stop playing with it. This one's my favorite. I think all of them are my favorite. I just like to fidget with them. And yeah, so hope you like, comment, subscribe. Press the notification bell if you want to get notified of every time I make a video. Peace. This video is sponsored by Zero Fidget Cube Zero and Antsy Labs. Yeah. Antsy Labs. That's gonna be sponsored by Zero and Antsy Labs. Yeah, so peace.